Let's talk about shadow work, because there are so many secrets people won't tell you. The quest for self-improvement and inner peace is a timeless endeavor, deeply ingrained in the human experience. Among the myriad paths to self-discovery, shadow work stands as a potent and transformative practice. It urges us to confront and integrate the disowned parts of ourselves, often termed as our shadow. This journey, although demanding, holds the promise of a more authentic, compassionate, and fulfilling life. Today, let us delve into the benefits of shadow work, guided by the insights of some of its well-regarded practitioners. The concept of the shadow was brought into the light by the Swiss psychiatrist Carl Jung. He emphasized the importance of recognizing and integrating the unconscious, darker aspects of ourselves as a pathway towards achieving a balanced psyche. Over time, various teachers have enriched and expanded upon Jung's foundation, making shadow work a multifaceted practice. Shadow work acts as a mirror, reflecting our hidden fears, insecurities, and suppressed emotions. By engaging with our shadows, we unveil our true selves, breaking free from the shackles of self-deception. Teachers like Debbie Ford, author of The Dark Side of the Light Chasers, have highlighted the liberation that comes from accepting our entirety, imperfections, and all. The practice encourages us to face our emotional wounds head-on. By doing so, we initiate a healing process that's essential for our emotional well-being. As we become more attuned to our inner workings through shadow work, our interpersonal relationships flourish. We start to respond to others from a place of understanding, rather than reacting out of ignorance or fear. This insight is reinforced by practitioners like Robert Masters, whose work in the realm of intimate relationships underscores the role of shadow work in fostering deeper connections. Our shadow often holds the keys to untapped creativity and potential. By exploring our inner darkness, we can unleash a wellspring of creativity, as suggested by notable figures like Julia Cameron, author of The Artist's Way. Shadow work emboldens us to take responsibility for our lives, leading to a profound sense of personal empowerment. By acknowledging and integrating our shadow, we become more grounded and capable of navigating life's challenges with grace and courage. The spiritual dimension of shadow work is profound. It encourages a holistic understanding of the self, fostering a deep sense of oneness with the universe. This spiritual deepening is a central theme in the teachings of many spiritual leaders, including Eckhart Tolle, who frequently speaks about transcending egoic limitations through self-awareness and acceptance. The core essence of shadow work lies in its ability to unveil our authentic selves. It nudges us to look beyond the facade we often present to the world, encouraging a deep dive into our internal realms. As we traverse this inward journey, we begin to recognize, accept, and integrate the disparate parts of ourselves. Renowned shadow work practitioner Debbie Ford often emphasized that by making peace with our darker aspects, we step into a space of self-acceptance and authenticity, which is liberating. As we delve deeper into our shadows, we often stumble upon enhanced intuition and insight. The process of self-exploration creates a fertile ground for the blossoming of intuitive abilities. It sharpens our perception, enabling a clearer understanding of our surroundings and our interactions with others. Renowned psychotherapist Dr. Connie Zweig affirms that by confronting and integrating our shadow, we can achieve a heightened level of intuition and wisdom. Shadow work not only cultivates self-compassion, but extends this compassion towards others. By acknowledging our own flaws and vulnerabilities, we become more empathetic towards the human condition. The teachings of Robert Masters, a psychotherapist and author, elucidate how shadow work fosters a deeper understanding and compassion, which is integral in building meaningful relationships and creating a harmonious social fabric. The journey of shadow work is synonymous with inner transformation. It propels us towards self-growth by challenging our limiting beliefs and outdated narratives. Julia Cameron, through her seminal work, invites us to embrace the creative potential that lies in exploring our shadows. This transformative journey is not only liberating, but invigorating, opening doors to new possibilities and vistas. The alchemy of shadow work is a sacred journey that holds the promise of a more enlightened existence. Through the lens of esteemed practitioners, we have glimpsed the myriad benefits that beckon as we dare to venture into the depths of our being. The road may be arduous, yet the treasures that await are boundless. As we continue to explore and integrate our shadows, we step into a realm of boundless growth, compassion, and a deep-seated understanding of the intricacies of the human psyche. Our quest for self-discovery is a lifetime endeavor, and shadow work serves as a potent ally in this profound expedition.